Welcome everyone, welcome in class 10th Mathematics NCERT. Today we are going to solve question number 7 from exercise 6.4 and the chapter is chapter 6 triangles. So let's start. Question number 7 is prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to the half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. So we are given, let's read the question again. The area of an equilateral triangle. The area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square. So we are given a square. Let's draw a square. Now give the name to the vertices of the square A, B, C and D. Let's draw an equilateral triangle on one of the side of the square. So here I am drawing an equilateral triangle on the side BC. On one side of this square, the side is BC, I am drawing an equilateral triangle, and this equilateral triangle has all the sides equal to the side of the square. You can see the equilateral triangle is drawn, and each side of this equilateral triangle is equal to the side of the square. Let's assume the side of the square is A, so the side of this equilateral triangle will also be A. Let's read the next part of the question. Is equal to the half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. So let's draw a diagonal AC of the square, and we will draw an equilateral triangle which has all the sides equal to the length of the diagonal of this square. Let's write that ABCD is a square with side A and diagonal AC. We will calculate the length of AC. AC is the hypotenuse for triangle ABC, which is a right triangle. So AC equals to square root of A square plus A square equals to square root of 2A square. We can write A root 2. So the length of the diagonal is A root 2. We can also write that the length of each side of this pink equilateral triangle is A root 2. Two equilateral triangles are BEC and AFC. Since triangle BCE is similar to triangle ACF, and F, we are talking about this triangle BEC and this triangle which is ACF. These both triangles are equilateral triangles, so their all angles will be equal. That is why we can say by AA similarity both the equilateral triangles are similar. We can write triangle BEC is similar to triangle ACF. Reason we can write by AA similarity. And we know that if two triangles are similar, here triangle BEC is similar to triangle ACF, then the ratio of area of triangle BEC and triangle ACF is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Here I am taking side BC, BC square upon the other side I am taking AC, AC square. In place of BC we can write A square in place of BC square, and in place of AC square we can write A root 2 whole square. We'll get A square upon 2 times A square, and that will be equal to 1 by 2. And in this way we will get area of triangle BEC is equal to, this is the area of triangle BEC, is equal to half multiplied by area of triangle ACF, and this is what we have to prove. So we'll write proved. Thank you for watching and learning.